Hi guys, today I'm gonna use Inside 8.7, a wonderful software to up HP in any cumin engine that you want. So let's jump into it. Choose calibration selection, then search code. Add the code that you want in ECM/BDD code. In this video, the code is AV10103. Okay, now search. Save. Done. Now exit all of that, back to the desktop, and enter inside again. Remember, first thing first, you need to save the work order. It's really important. I have saved it, so I don't do it again in the video, but remember to save the work order. Okay, back to calibration selection, to ECM/BDD. Oops. Here we go. This is what you saved previously. Now all you need to do is choose the HP that you want to up. My customer want to up 600 HP, so I'm looking for 600. Here we go. Transfer to ECM. Next. Okay, now we have to wait a little bit. Here we go. Okay. Okay, that's successful. That's it. Just wait a little bit to it load. Finish. And you're done. Easy peasy, right? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.